Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll take a look at how we can trade volatility 75 index and step index on the lower time frames. But before we take a look at the lower time frames, we will have to look at what has happened on the higher time frame. So I'll be starting with volatility 75 index on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I have a V75 in a range, like a triangle. All right, so we'll be expecting price on the weekly time frame to break out of this range. So what that means is we might still expect price to still continue in the range for the next couple of weeks before we eventually have a breakout. All right, that's that for the weekly time frame. Let's look at what has happened on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we have V75 still in the range, and the price is giving us more wicks, more shadows at the top. You can see shadows at the top indicating that we might likely see price dropping. More like this a top, this another top, this another top. More like we're seeing a triple top or inverted head and shoulder. This the like a head and shoulder, I beg your pardon. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So this should be our neckline if this happens to be head and shoulder pattern, and then a break of this neckline, we might see price testing the break line, the neckline, then price dropping. But that's that for the daily time frame. The key factor is the fact that we have these shadows at the top, these long shadows at the top, indicating that sellers are trying to take charge of the market. So that's that for the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? 4-hour time frame, price is still ranging. But we are seeing a gradual drop of price. And look at the break of structure of this particular structure, more like a liquidity grab. Okay, price has grabbed liquidity by breaking. We have so many stop losses, buyers stop losses around there, and that has been taken out. Price is pulling back into the range. We might possibly see price break towards the side before price drops. Okay, that's that for the 4-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, for V75, you can see that the sellers are stepping into the market, and we have a top around here. We have this particular top on the 1-hour time frame. We have another top on the 1-hour time frame, and we have this top on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, we have this particular top, then we have this top. So this indicates that the buyers attempt to push price up, but the sellers are able to push it down. Then you can see a deep push down, but the buyers are trying to recover. So we have some trend lines that might likely serve as like this particular trend line. It's been broken. It could have served as resistance zone, but it has been broken. We might plot this new one around here. Let's see if this new trend line will be broken on the 1-hour time frame. If it is broken, then we might see recovery towards this particular descending trend line. On the 30 minutes time frame, we are looking at this particular bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. Okay, this candlestick has engulfed this particular candlestick, so that's why we're seeing a push up. Okay, as price goes up, we have this other block. This particular other block might serve as, you know, supply, okay, or resistance to price. We have another other block that might serve as resistance or supply to price. Okay, that's that. But on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see recovery as we have this particular morning star candlestick pattern. But with the recovery, with the current recovery, where the buyers are trying to push price up, price already at this supply zone. If that supply zone breaks, we might see price get into this particular supply zone for price to, you know, possibly drop. All right, and for the range to continue. Okay, that's that for the 15 minutes time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, you can see that the buyers are in the market, but we have this particular supply zone, this other block. Okay, price might enter into the other block and drop. Okay, but if price drops, we have this other block at the bottom. That might serve as support or demand level to price. So that's that for V75 index. Currently it's buying. If you want to scalp V75 index, you might want to buy. But for now, on the 1 minute time frame, price is ranging. On the 1 minute time frame, we have the top of the range and we have the bottom of the range. So you might want to wait for price to break out of this range before you take your decision. For step index on the weekly time frame, step index is bearish for now. We have this top, this other top, and this top for us to have something like head and shoulder pattern, and the neckline was broken. Okay, this is the neckline, and price has retested the neckline. We might possibly see price going down some more. All right, that's that for the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, step index has been bearish, and price of step index has been bearish, respecting this particular trend line. All right, as price continues to break structure, we have this structure around here broken here. We have another structure around here broken here. This is the structure that got broken around here, and currently we have another structure around here, and price is attempting to drop to that level, which is the 8564 level. All right, that's that for the daily time frame. But in case price is gonna go up, we have this other block that might serve as supply to price. This particular other block serve as supply to price or resistance to price. This is also another other block at the top might serve as resistance or supply to price. Okay, that's that for the daily time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we can see price breaking this particular structure around here. It got broken, and price trying to give us another low. But we have a low here, price trying to give us another low. Looking at the trend is currently on the 4 hour time frame, currently bearish, as we have more red candles on the screen. On the 1 hour time frame, the trend is currently bearish as price continues to form lower lows. This is the high, this is a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. You might possibly see a lower low, but if price is going to go up, we have this particular order block around here that might serve as more like a resistance to price. Price might possibly go up and get to this other block and drop, because the other block is also in confluence with the descending trend line. Okay, so that's that for step index on the 1 hour time frame. Let's look at step index on the 30 minutes time frame. On the 30 minutes time frame, we can see a drop. Okay, and we have this descending trend line. With price, if case price gonna move up, price might need to break above this descending trend line. A break above that descending trend line, sellers will be waiting at this other block for to push price further down, this particular other block, in case price breaks to give us a double bottom and breaks a neckline around here. Price might meet with this particular other block and drop first to continue for the price to continue the trend, which is bearish. However, this other block is also in confluence with this descending trend line. All right, that's that. On the 15 minutes time frame, possibility of a double bottom cannot be ruled out, even in as much as we have this descending trend line. A break above this descending trend line might give us a double bottom pattern. But we have this other block, okay, that might serve as resistance to price. Other block within another block, okay, that might serve as resistance to price for price to drop, and then possibly come this resistance level might now turn to a support for price to start to possibly recover. All right, on the 5 minutes time frame, price is currently bearish. This is a bearish pattern. On the 1 minute time frame, price is bearish, so the overall direction is bearish for step index. So that's that for today's video. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash the subscribe button. If you like the video, go ahead and click the like button. Share the video, drop comment below the video, ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. All right, you can click the bell button below the video for notification. You can also go to our website www.beanfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade volatility index. You can go to another website of ours, fsfacebooks.com, to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.